Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 234G 3-slot payphone. And this is David's equipment from MD, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this unit. There is no vault lock or key, so we need to locate a vault lock and a key. The key for the front cover is missing, and the lock was worked on in the past, and they opened up the lock and cleaned the insides of the lock out. So you can basically open the lock with any tool. The problem is the deadbolt is getting hung up because there is no other insides to the lock. So we need to take the lock apart again, which it'll basically just fall apart, and then repair the lock and locate a key for the lock just so you can use the key to open it up and you don't have to use a tool or a screwdriver. So the appearance will be there, but you won't actually need a key. It's just for appearance only. So we'll take care of those issues. We also want to rewire this payphone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We will be troubleshooting the security cable for the handset, and the caps for the receiver and the transmitter of the handset are epoxied on. So we need to try to remove the caps to the handset so that we can work on the receiver and the transmitter if needed. Also, the caps need to be removed for any future repairs. We need to go through the rotary dial. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial and make sure that our numbers are dialing out properly. We're going to go through the hook switch, and we're going to install a bell and a bell circuit. We also need to install a modular line port so that you can simply plug in any length, any color line cord that you choose. Makes for an easy plug and play connection. We will be going through the coin validator and making sure that all the coins will fall through the coin validator and into the coin box. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this really cool Western Electric 234G 3-slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this 3-slot payphone. And we've been working on the coin validator to make sure that all the coins fall through the coin validator and into the coin box. And we're going to go ahead and run some change through this unit. Now the quarters will gong 1 time, the dimes will ring the bell 2 times, and the nickels will ring the bell 1 time. We're going to go ahead and start out with a quarter. We'll do a dime, a nickel, another quarter, a dime, and one last nickel. Now what we want to do is go ahead and check our coin box. We want to go ahead and open the lid and check our cash. David's getting rich with bubblegum money. We'll set that to the side. Now what we want to do is mention the latch on the lid of the coin box. Every time you remove the coin box, you're going to need to set the latch. And you're going to turn it a quarter of a turn clockwise, and that way you can put the coin box back into the unit. Now the linkage for the trap door will move when you're putting the coin box back into the payphone, and once it's set, it will accept coins, and then when you remove the coin box, that latch will lock, and you will not be able to put the coin box back into the unit until you open the lid and set the latch a quarter of a turn. So that's how you have to use the coin box, or you can choose not to use the lid at all and just install the coin box if it's easier. We have a lot of work that needs to be taken care of. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 234G 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. We also want to mention that we installed a dial center card, something to the period, and a reference to Western Electric. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you're getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. And we're going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, October 12th. The current time, 7:27 p.m. And the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can go ahead and call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 234G 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit to David and he can enjoy this 3-slot payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.